சரி ரெண்டு பேரும் சேர்ந்து கத்தி
See you soon கரண்ட் போட்டுருக்காங்க.
You guys keep asking me if I ever have an unproductive day or if I procrastinate or if I just don't feel motivated on this, and that's the reason I am documenting this. Today is one such day. I have been having a very different kind of a week. Like, I was not okay health wise, and I was trying to push myself because my best friend was leaving and I had to be there. I did have the most fun, but I also was not just okay, and I think it just hit me today that since I had like no plans today since morning and I just slept. I woke up by 9, I did my yoga, I ate breakfast, I watched Friends, and then I slept. And now it's around 4 p.m. I haven't done anything at all. So what I'm gonna do is get back and fix things. And the first thing I'm gonna do is take a hot shower. Next up, I'm gonna eat my lunch. And I'm gonna make some tea or coffee or whatever. And then I'm gonna go and chill on my terrace for some time. And then come back. And I need to clean my room because, again, like I said, because I've been going out every other day, I have so much of clothes piled up. Just horrible. It's making my mental health even more worse. And every time I'm like looking at it, it just makes me more angry. Please tell me this pile doesn't make you angry. It's making me so mad.